Hello again, this is Lockdown Drama, and this is Helping Hands Part 2, because in Part 1, I didn't tell you how to use 3 people. Silly me. You could use 3 people as an advanced version if you've already done this. So how do you do 3 people? With difficulty, but it is fun. So you know you need one person behind you now. So now you're going to have 2 people behind you, and those people are going to control different hands. I'll show you. You stand like that. Let's say I'm person number 2 behind person number 1. They can put their hand through here. Got it? And then person number 3 will have to stand very close behind person number 2 and put their other hand through here. So each person behind you has only got one hand through. Makes it much harder. Even just try clapping your hands together, hand people. That makes it a challenge. There's a lot of bodies there squashed together. It's incredibly fun. Give it a go if you can.